blade an orange glow. Moon hangs high, a silent show. Secrets buried deep in dust. A broken heart, a fragile trust. Whispers on the breeze. Just me and the night, sunny moon dust confessions. Cold light reflections. Shadows they dance. A lonely last chance. Every brick, every stone he knows where my wild garden grows. Thorns and roses tangled tight, lost inside this endless night. Maybe someday sun will shine, wash away these troubled lives. Baby, that I'll find my way out of this dark and dusty day. Streetlights bleed an orange glow. Risky tears on the window. Another night, another show. Watching the lonely people go. Shadows dance and sway in this electric day. Neon dreams, they burn so bright, lost in the city light. Yeah, neon dreams, a faded sight, lost in the city night. Jukebox wells a forgotten tune, underneath a plastic moon. Empty smiles, and soon, 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 another heartache in this room. Hearts on the display, just a little more play. Every mile marker feels like one more door. My rearview mirror holds more ghosts than the town I left behind. Every red light, every door, every name I underlined. They ride the white lines, soft and slow. In the glass, they're still alive. My rearview mirror holds more ghosts than that quiet, crooked side of my life. Saw your face in a truck stop glare. Lipstick on a paper cup left there like a dare.